Hello, friends. Welcome back to Ecom Solutions Hive. And first of all, I will feel sorry to for this long gap between the last video and this one video. And I promise you, it won't happen. I will keep posting regular videos for this courses, and even after this courses, we will cover uh, on business level also the Shopify, how to set up, how to configure, even drop shipping, and how to increase your business, and everything we will cover. I make you sure that no longer gaps will be happen again. So now let's without wasting time, let me recap. In the first video, I think I shown which certificate I received. This one you can see on the screen after completing that course and the paid exam of $149. I will give you the more details on exam, but let's concentrate on learning first. Our motto is not only to clear the exam and get the certificate. Our motto is to learn and really use that learning in our IT field. So let's move in proper learning path. And in second video, in the previous video, I explained what is difference between courses, learning path, and badges in Shopify. And I think few more good stuff I covered that. You can go through that video also. So now we will start the first course of Shopify, and that is developing on Shopify. So this is the first course, developing on Shopify. In this course we will talk about the introduction part of Shopify platform as a developer, not as a business. As I mentioned, we will cover the business part later uh, in separate course, not in this course. This course is dedicated for the developers and to clear the certification and learning as a developer perspective the Shopify. So let's without wasting time, we are going to start this course, first course of a set of six courses. Out of these six courses, the five courses we will do, and the course six is called the assessment, that the examination. So let's start the first course, developing on Shopify. So uh, before jumping into the course, let's talk about. I know you know what is the Shopify. That's why you are here, because to learn it and as a developer. And this is basically for the one who are not aware about the Shopify, but still to set the context, we should talk about what is Shopify. So as you can see the definition on screen, at its foundation, Shopify serves as commerce operating system. Why they are not calling the Shopify platform? Why they are calling it the operating system? Because this has every bit. Like for example, in Windows you don't have a single program. You can have multiple program. You can install many other softwares also on top of this operating system. Similar to that, the Shopify cover everything: the product, the inventory, the customer, everything it cover. And on top of it, you can install other apps, the plugins, you can call it apps. The Shopify has own store, you can install the apps from there. So that's why we are calling it commerce operating system. So let's talk about more. The second point is enabling, that is that operating system enabling business to sell across multiple channel simultaneously. So what is the means of channel? Sales channel is where you sell your product, like online store, like physical store, like social media. So everywhere you can sell simultaneously, whether customer choose to shop online, visit a physical store, or explore marketplace like eBay, Shopify, even the social media like Facebook, Instagram, and everywhere. So I will keep this video short. In next video we will talk about the architect of Shopify. So please don't forget to subscribe the channel, like the video, and if you have any question, please put it in comment box. I will surely answer. Thank you. See you in next video. Thank you.